What's good, y'all? Check this out. Today we want to show you how to check the fluids on your vehicle pertaining oil. A lot of people get in their cars, they oil light come on, they don't know how to see how much oil is in the vehicle. So the first thing we want to do is show you what you need to have is a rag, towel, whatever it is, and this is what we're going to do. Look right in this engine block. A lot of people are going to see there's different things in this block. Newer cars are different. They have some cars don't even have dipsticks in them, like Mercedes-Benzes and the BMWs. They got sensors in them that tell them where the oil is at, and the gauge will come up on the screen. But in the older vehicles, you'll have a dipstick. Now, I'm going to show you how to read the dipstick and see what it looks like. Over here is the oil dipstick for the engine. All right? Now, you see this? All right. On them, you'll see add a quart. That means it's low. Then you'll see full. And that shows you you're good to go. Anytime you're down here or in between here, that means you need to add some oil. You start going up above this, you got way too much oil in your car, and that's going to be a misunderstanding with you and your car. Now, on the other side, you see there's no markings. On other dipsticks, sometimes you'll see an opening, like a little circle right here and a circle right here. The lower circle would be meaning like, yo, listen, I need to add some oil. The top circle means you're good to go. So you put this back in the car, just like back in the engine, my bad. Alright, so now this thing has been sitting for a few minutes. Anytime you check your oil, the car cannot be running. That's number one. And two, it needs to sit for about 3 or 4 minutes so that you can get an accurate reading on the oil, so the oil can settle back down at the bottom of the engine. Now that's been sitting, we're going to pull it out, and we're going to see what it says. Uh-oh, this bad boy needs some oil. Look where it's at. Low. Add a quart. It needs to be up here, and it's down there. Now it's time to add some oil to this engine. Now, different engines hold for different grades of oil, like 5W30, O30, O20, 520, 1030, 1040, stuff like that. Some call for synthetic, some call for regular oil. It doesn't really matter what your car is taking. If you need some oil, you're going to have some issues with your car. You could be burning oil. You could be burning oil. You could be leaking oil. 9 to 10 times you burn oil. This is an older engine, so of course this thing's most likely burning oil. And it's no big deal. You do that, you're good to go. This will save you a lot of time in the long run, because you know if your car's running around with no oil, you know what's going to happen. Your engine's going to seize up and lock up on you, and you pretty much shit out of luck. Thank you later.